Bench testing a 1958 Cadillac power antenna manufactured by Pioneer. Serial number PA12012025. Offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, mast extended. Test number 2, mast retraction. Test number 3, mast insulated from ground. Mast floating in housing. Test number 4, mast continuity to radial coaxial cable input. Test number 1, mast extend. Mast retract. Again, test number 1, mast extend. And test number 2, mast retract. Test number 3, mast insulated from ground. We have our tone continuity tester. I'm going to demonstrate that the mast is insulated from the outside housing and from ground. One probe on the mast, touching ground, we have no tone. Touching ground, the other end of the probe, we have continuity. To the mast, no continuity. Demonstrate the mast is floating in the housing and insulated from shorts or ground. Test number 4, mast continuity to coaxial cable input. Using our tone continuity tester, we're going to put one probe on the mast and one on the coaxial cable. This is the input from the mast to the radio input. Probe is on the mast, touching ground, no continuity. To the input on the coaxial cable to the radio, we have continuity. So the mast is floating in the housing and insulated from ground, but the mast is connected to the coaxial cable to the radio.